about the destructuring. Okay, there are two types we are going to discuss about the destructuring. It's very important concept in the further videos because we can restructure two things, array and object. Okay, first we are going to see what is destructuring, how do we do that. Okay, let's take an example. Let's create an array. The array name is called values, right? This array is having three values, suppose. Okay, if you want to print that array, okay, you can directly print it, right? Clear the console and run it. Yeah, it displayed. Okay, if you want to get the only one value, okay, the first value, okay, so in this kind of things, if you want to get, you want to assign these values to someone, something else, right? Take an example. Suppose this is called destructuring. Okay, those values we are destructuring, right? A comma B comma C. So I have taken a similar, how many numbers are there, we have taken the same and we are associating with values. Okay, now console dot log of A comma C. I am doing it. Okay, now I am just clearing the console and run it. See, from the values we are having 1 2 3, A B C assigned to 1 2 3. Now I have printed only A and C, that's why it is printed 1 comma 3. It's based upon the index, not according to the values. Okay, so if I want to remove this, if I want to assign to only two values, I will associate B and clear it. See, from the three values it has destructured, means it's reassigning the values of the first index and second index, because here what is we are having only A, B and C, right? Like that the values are assigned. Okay, this is called array destructuring. So we have in one array we have a couple of values, so we are destructuring those values for the usage, further usage. Okay, so these concepts we will use in the forms. So in the next videos only we are going to see it, how do we done. So like that we are having a object destructuring. It's very simple, guys. So we are having a similar values object. Okay, so in that I am having name. Okay, name is a string. So and one more thing we are having age. Okay, age, right? So I want to print these values. Okay, how do we do that? Simply, it's very simple. In a object console we will simply print it. So what it will happen here, let's see, run it. It's printed like an object array. Okay, so I want to destructure these values, right? So it's very simple, guys. Now I just want to get the only name, right? How do we do that? Console dot log of values dot name. If I say so, clear it and run it. So here it is, we got the value from. So everywhere I don't want to use it like a values dot name, because in the further videos we are going to use this concept. So I want to declare one array. It's an object now, because same names we have to write it. So and age, so we are assigning these values to it, values. So now you can say console dot log of name, and the same way we are going to print console dot log of age. Okay, what do we get it here? So run it, Ajay and 30, we got it. So if you have swapped these things, suppose these are based upon the, not based upon the index, these are by the names. Okay, suppose you have reversed also, the values will be remain same, it has to be printed. See, from the values, whatever the property name we are having name is associating with name automatically. If you give any other thing, it won't accept. Suppose given age 1, so if you are trying to print age 1, it won't accept, guys. So that's what where destructuring is very important. So it said undefined. Okay, this is very important concept, guys. In further videos we are going to see in a form when we are capturing the values from the text box to use state we have seen earlier. So the destructuring concept is very important. Okay guys, okay, thank you.